16 Successful Strategies to Make Money Online in 2023 Time-stamped. The world is becoming more virtual, increasing the number of ways you can make money online. Whether you're stuck in an office and ready to make a change, or are just looking for a convenient way to make money on the side, check out this list of options on how to make money online. Ways to making money online. You can also create your own product or service and sell it on your website. For a better idea, consider getting a professional valuation. Is your garage or hallway closet overflowing with stuff? Prior to posting, it's a good idea to confirm you're allowed to rent your space. To start making money, you should have a portfolio with a few writing samples to share with potential clients. To make money, you charge a slightly higher fee than your supplier and keep the profit. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. What is the fastest way to make money online? You can use online marketplaces such as Facebook, Craigslist, or OfferUp to find local buyers and earn cash quickly. There are several ways to make money on TikTok.